What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we got another quick little video. So after I put this sports bar on here, as you guys saw in the last video, I was having some problems with my new bed cover. Obviously the old bed cover that sat on top didn't work, so we had to get one that sat on the inside here. So the issues that kind of came with is that as you can kind of see here, this mounts to the inside of the bed rail, so it kind of pushes it off and then leaves a little gap in there. And then also because of the plastic not seating perfectly, let me see if I can see, there's like a little gap between the plastic and the bed through there. These clamps just are super wiggly, as you can see. So today we're going to be remedying that, and my plan for that is to kind of come in here with these little bolts here. Sit you down for a sec. Plan is to take like the standard body style mounting bolts and just put a few of those in on each side. So these are just, you know, like you putting steps on and all that stuff. They're just the little clips that slide on. They thread in, and there you go. So what that means is we will be drilling some holes in the bed cover. Just kind of drill in this flat piece here. We're gonna drill one towards the end here, and then one towards the middle, like where the sports bar mounts, and then another towards that end. Hopefully this will fix our problem with it moving around. But like I said, I've been having a lot of problems with this bed cover not working right. And like recently I actually had it pop up like an inch in the front. So I kind of was able to push it back down here, as you can see. But you see it's moved away from that seal though. Not the new, but the seal I just put back on. So yeah, it just isn't staying in place because it's just not mounted super securely, and with the gap in the side, it leaks like crazy. I don't know if you can kind of see all just like the wetness. Can't really see on camera. It's not like picking up my camera, but on like in real life you can see where like water's kind of been running in all over the sides and stuff like that. So yeah, what's the point of the bed cover if it's not keeping out the majority of the water and it's been like not staying in place? So today we're gonna fix that. So of course the first thing we're gonna do is unbolt our bed cover here so we can put our fresh weather stripping in, and then we will go from there. Before you take these sidebars completely off, take one and mark where you want to put the holes at. In my instance, I'm just gonna put them right where the 3 clamps are in the first place. Yeah, first I'm gonna position to make sure it's right where I want it, and then yeah, I'm just gonna put the holes right where they are in the first place. So that way it mounts up the same. It's just gonna be a little bit more secure. As you can see here, we got the holes drilled out, and that allows for these bolts to fit through, and they'll sit in there just like that. Well, actually they'll come through this way, but they'll come through just like that. And I got 3 holes, and they're mirrored on the other one down there. So now I'm going to come up and put my weather stripping along the edge of this. Well, at first I'm going to wipe down some rubbing alcohol so I get a nice stick, and then I'll put my weather stripping across there, and I'll be good to go. Got my weather stripping in, and I cut out around the side of this, that way when this shoves up against the bed, it will fit in there super nicely. So I got this side all on as well. Bolted in my 3 places just like I had showed you I drilled before, and this is super solid, way better than what it was before. So I'm going to get drilling out the holes and getting the other side ready to go, and then we'll get it all back here and mounted. So we got both sides mounted up now, and they're super secure. Like this is way better than it was before. And it's not freaking going anywhere, so it should be super solid. Shouldn't have to worry about it anymore. I'm going to throw the actual cover back on now, get that all adjusted up, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, so we got it all mounted up, and not leveled, but equalized out and tensioned up or whatever with the little adjusters in here, and it turned out great. I mean, it literally is so perfectly flat and clean and everything now. Now that the you know, bed cover actually holds itself tight. You know, I was having a problem with the cover just moving and stuff, you know, because it was, well, it's gonna be coming loose because it was moving. So having that nice and tight and ready to roll and not leak now is gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, it turned out great. Just kind of show you the inside here just one more time before I shut you down. So as you can see there's none of the little drop down brackets that you would normally have with bed cover mounts, and it's actually super clean. Literally all you have is those 3 bolts on each side, so it's super flush, super clean, and it just, yeah, because I was having a problem too that the middle bracket there was getting in the way of my tie down D-ring there on each side just because it was hanging down so much. So the fact that that's cleaned up now and it works perfectly. But yeah, no, it's super clean, works out super good. The whole cover is super rigid now, and you know, it's honestly the way it should have been in the first place. So yeah, looks good. So hopefully that helped y'all out with, you know, your bed covers coming loose and whatnot, especially with the sports bar, because that's the main reason why I even had problems in the first place, is because that, you know, that sports bar insert, not insert, but the part that comes over the bed is messing everything up. So hopefully that helps you guys set that up a little bit better so it's nice and tight and stout and doesn't move around. But yeah, that's all I got for it. If you have any questions or if I missed anything when I was making the video, just let me know and I'll be sure to answer those. But as always, you know, thank you guys for watching, and hope y'all have a great day.